Holy shit, it is early as hell, but you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm. We on our way to the PHX VIP show. My favorite local card show. Should be a good day. Brought some new inventory. Super excited. I ain't got no breakfast in me, but I don't care. I'm ready to make some deals. Let's get it. Run the intro. Got my brother Chuck with me again.
What up, what up?
Just pulling up the bets. See what the wager is, boy.
DraftKings. Here we go. Little guy shied up. Alright, here we my bet. Check this joint out. It's kind of thick, dude. Like, I'm not gonna lie, but Christian McCaffrey get 100 yards.
Easy.
CeeDee Lamb, anytime touchdown. George
Easy.
Kittle, anytime touchdown. Tony Pollard, anytime touchdown. 49ers to win by 3.5.
Easy.
Tony Pollard, 50 yards plus.
So the 49ers playing this week?
Dallas.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is like
So
all.
you're betting against each other, bro.
It's called the same game parlay, bro.
Okay.
Christian McCaffrey, anytime touchdown. George Kittle to get over 40.5 yards.
Easy.
I hit all those. $10 bet. Pays me $19.60. Oh,
Money.
money. My father-in-law is a Bears fan, so he loves it. But they suck too, though. I mean, Detroit's gonna take that, right?
My dude, the dabs just came through, man. With the drip, though.
Look at this. Oh man, dude, this shirt is fire, homie.
You think that shirt's fire? You think the shirt's fire? Look at this. Look
Oh,
at this.
oh, here we go. Bang.
You get the Wemby. This is the SP, right? Yeah. The foil SP. Look at this though. Ooh. What's that? The gold lava? Oh
Let
my
me get
goodness.
in on that. Oh.
With the inscription too.
Oh, and then the Bowman first.
Homie's
Look at
bringing
that.
fire today,
Look at
dude.
that. The Bryce Young, Caleb Williams. Studs, yo. Studs. Bangers, yo. That thing is... That's the one right there, man. Ooh. Nasty, bro. Nasty. My dude Manuel grabbing the super scarce Jordan World Cup from my dude Chuck. Easy deals. That's what I like to see, man.
Sir Ernest.
Young money up in here. You know what it is. Let's see what you got, man.
You got Mahomes.
Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with that.
You got Wilson.
I'll forgive you on that one.
You're not gonna like what's coming, man.
Oh, that's
Got
nasty.
Russell.
D-Lo.
Lamella.
Yeah, can't go wrong with Melo.
Drexler.
Oh, that's nasty. Clyde the Glide, yo.
Wilson.
It's okay. It's okay.
And Rogers.
I'll edit those ones out. Oh, that's nasty, bro. That's nasty. Sick. Hell yeah, brother.
These clear cards are
I know they are.
super dope.
That's actually really pictures are tough. It's like Verlander.
My dude Chuck picking up some 49ers. This is enough out of 49 out of 49.
That's a sign, homie. I had to buy it. I had to get it.
Oh, Jesus, man, up in here, man.
It's 49 to 49. Like, that to me is like, it must be mine. I appreciate you, homie. Like, can you hold them up? Yeah, I got you. Hey, man, go Niners, bro. Sure. Oh, that shit is sick. I just this one.
My dude Chuck grabbing some butt kiss from the homie.
Yeah, dude. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, man.
So it's funny. My wife and I were at work, and she sends
all
me.
these, but they're not for sale.
Oh, shit. He brought the stack
There you go,
out.
homie.
Nobody's ever done college or pro.
Oh, shit.
What's your biggest card here?
Biggest card here.
Yeah, your most expensive or your favorite.
Damn, one of my favorite cards. Probably this one. It is Angel Di Maria out of 20,
Oh yeah, that's nasty.
Argentina. I pulled it myself.
Can't go wrong with some Argentina, man.
Yeah, they just won the World Cup, so
Yes, sir.
that'd be one of my favorite cards.
Are y'all big on Arturo Martinez?
Yes. Oh, I do have a Arturo Martinez card too. The Inter Milan player. Where? Let's see. Right here.
Dude is a stud right there. What is that? Out of 10?
25.
Out of 25? Sick. What's good, bro?
How you doing?
What's your best card in your case right now? Oh, Mahomes auto. Look at that. That's a beauty.
That's a beauty.
How much is that going for?
9,500.
9,500. Get your money up. Woo. Okay, what's the best card in your case right now?
Best card in my case, I probably have to go this Joey B
Oh,
out of 99.
that's nasty right there.
PGS 9, and then up there is Justin Fields, Black Snake Skin.
Oh,
1 and
that's
2.
nasty.
1 and 2.
That is nasty.
Thank you.
Sick. Let's see what you got, man.
Judge out of 10.
That's
10.
nasty.
Short print rookie out of 99. Gem 10. Julio out of 25.
Julio.
Orange Galactic out of 10. My PC, Nika Horner. The big dog. Gunner, Stars in the Night, Red Flare out of 5.
That is nasty.
Rookie.
Right there.
Vincent Van Gogh, baby. Acuna Prism rookie, Gem 10. Tristan Cassis,
That's nasty.
rookie, Radiating Rookies out of 10, or Gem 10. And
Holiday.
then the Lord and Savior, Jackson
Yeah.
Holiday,
Nasty.
PSA 9 out of 199.
Doing a deal with my guy Unit.cards, man. I appreciate you, brother. Hell yeah. Yeah. Some Howell and Sochan right there. Working a deal with Benny's Cards and Collectibles. My dude Sergio right here giving me a hell of a deal right here. Some nice Brock Purdy's and some blues. I appreciate you, man. Thank you, brother.
You get bag?
Nah, that's good. Yo, check out Williams 3D prints. Look at these stands, yo. And the card boxes, those are sick. Check this out. Right on site, yo. Dope. Doing a deal with my dude Benjamin Sports Cards, man. I appreciate you.
Got you, man.
Thank you, man. Can't go wrong with some Mahomes rookie. Dude, my dude P&D, look what he just dropped to the table. Look at this. With the jump, man. Oh my goodness, that is nasty. Oh. You see my Young Money brothers, man. We're gonna deal. This dude is a young man in an old soul in a young man's body, man. Look at him. He's out here copping the wheel. You should see his table though. There you go, man. What you gonna do, Zell?
Venmo.
Venmo. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, brother.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. My dude Dave said he want the gringo burger.
The gringo, extra gringo.
Extra gringo, Holmes. Look at this. Fire, man. Just fire.
Lunch.